Welcome back everyone. There's pause on a few things just now and we're going to focus on this. This is a Ford Transit camper van that is in dire need of saving. It's been brought to me to try and do that. It's needing a lot of body work, a lot of engine work. It needs paint and it's very tired. Now it's one of those ones where they've started it, I think they've replaced the clutch but they've not built it back up since. It's been sitting there for 3 years now, so he's desperate to get it done. He approached me, I had a look at it and to be honest I said it's probably one I should stay away from, but no, knowing me I just can't say no. I did tell him that it's one I should stay away from and it's going to be a big job. And I'm not sure exactly how far I can take this. This needs like, I'll give you guys a walk round. Everything for the van is inside it. We just need to lay it out, make a plan. It's going to be like a jigsaw, and I want to get it up and running and hear it and move it before we decide to spend any money or any time on paint, etc. Because of its position, and we need it away, I'm going to need to get this done. Not quickly, but it needs to be done so that we can get back on the Super Turbo with the Pulsar, because things are evolving dramatically. I'm going to unhook you guys now and give you guys a walk around. Right, I hope you guys can see because it's very early morning here yet. I'm just going to show you, there is the whole front of the van, all needs redone, rebuilt. Around the side wings, all missing. Quite a dated interior, all the seats and stuff are loose. They've been welding in here and fixing in here, which we'll show you guys. You can see the door seal and everything's off. That's what we are working with. Everything is in the back of the van. You can see it has actually been a camper from original, I think. I've tried to do a little bit of googling on these to see when they were made, etc, but I'm not sure I can find anything useful. Just take a walk around. You can see where it had some sill work there, but it's not the best, to be honest. We're going to see what we can do with that without going too crazy on it. I've not been properly inside it yet, to be honest, because and this whole side here has all been done. So we're going to need to draw some attention to that because it's not even been finished welding, as you'll see in there. And again, same with the front wing on this side. So yeah, I can't remember where it says that it's a camper. It is a Ford Transit camper from like the factory, I thought. Lift this up. There's a lot of jigsawing to happen in there. That's an introduction. Sorry about lighting, guys, it's quite dark, overcast. We'll get it in. Obviously we're going to get deep in this so you guys will see. I kind of need to go and do more research into this. Just Google pictures, anything that I can get my hands on, some wiring diagrams, some coolant plumbing diagrams, just so as we're kind of getting ahead of the game. Also, I was told everything was in the back. It doesn't really seem to be that is the case. There's a lot of nuts and bolts missing. We really only have like this amount here. I'll show you. Like, that's it. That is all we have for the van. If you've enjoyed today's video on the Transit, consider subscribing and hit the little bell notification and you'll be notified whenever we put up a new video. If you haven't already done so, and leave us a little thumbs up, guys. It helps the channel grow and get the reach out there, so we really appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next video.